Now, STC brings you the latest news from Hollywood.
Hi everybody, I'm Jerry Manthe, and this is the Movie Music News on Soundtrack Channel. We always like it when big superstar directors get as excited about soundtracks as we do. And Quentin Tarantino loves his soundtracks. From Reservoir Dogs to Pulp Fiction, Tarantino picks his music as carefully as he picks his cast. And his latest, from the death-proof half of Grindhouse, is as cool as ever. And we're not the only ones who think so. When he showed up at the Virgin Megastore in Hollywood last week to sign copies of the soundtrack, he was met by a legion of fans that wrapped all the way around the building and down the street. Not to mention an army of paparazzi, us included. What can we say? We're big fans. The Death Proof soundtrack is available in stores now. And now a quick look at the scorecard, our weekly update of who's scoring what in Hollywood. Craig Armstrong has struck it rich with The Golden Age, a new epic starring Clive Owen and Cate Blanchett. The film follows the relationship between Elizabeth I and Sir Walter Raleigh and marks the 200th time that Cate Blanchett has played a Queen of England. The film is due out this fall. And Mark Isham has nabbed 2 more projects. The first is Reservation Road, a new drama from the director of Hotel Rwanda. The other is a film called Gracie, which tells the story of one woman's struggle to play professional soccer. And that's the Movie Music News. I'm Jerry Manthe. See you soon.